Hey, everybody. Mike here. Hey, I'm just a 61-year-old dad. I have three grown kids, an empty nester. I'm a husband and a guy who spent 42 years and counting in watching IT technology completely flip the world upside down. A few years ago, I discovered these new AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot and Grok and Gemini and honestly, many others. And at first I thought they were just toys for the young kids. And then I started using them every single day to save time and save money and help me with Instagram ideas, write letters, and even help my blind mom stay connected to her assisted living friends. More on that in a bit. And I realized something. Nobody is showing regular guys like us, older dads, grandfathers, empty nesters, how to use this stuff in a way that actually matters without all the tech bro hype. So that's why I started Fatherly AI. About once a week or whenever I have time, I'm going to bring you one dead simple real life AI trick that I actually use myself. Things like how to use AI to turn a picture of my mom's monthly activity calendar into something her phone can read to her. Oh, did I mention she's blind? Getting AI to help with budgeting or fixing a resume or even starting to write the stories down for our grandkids, like memoirs. If you're looking for 20-year-old millionaires, this is not the channel for you. There's no get rich quick nonsense. It's just a 61-year-old dad showing other dads and grandpas how to work smarter and not harder in the second half of life. If that sounds useful, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss one of my videos. I read every comment and I answer as many as I can. Thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you're here. Let's go make AI work for us instead of the other way around. I'll see you in the first real Fatherly AI video.